I'm gonna do it around. You don't have to if you feel like you are happy with this, you know, just 3D flowers. Then you can end right here. But I want to add just a little bit crystal to make it fun, and I am going to using a no wipe top coat floating right on the top. So this is if you have like is troubleshooting or it's like difficult time to get your crystal stay on, it is gonna be your really cool bestie to really always back you up with the crystal placement. So I'm floating on the top of the condensed glue gels. Okay.
Christy, actually, you top the flower gel?
You do not have to top the flower because flowers is tack free. So when you finish, it's really is tacky free. You do not have to do it, and it will last until you remove the nails. It will not gonna have any issue at all until the clients, even it's really durable. It's not gonna even to pop up the petals or anything at all. So you do not have to, because if you top it, it's gonna make it look shiny and it doesn't look like really matte. It looks like obviously the flowers. So I am going to add some, get some cute like pink. I'm gonna put some hot like cute pink for my, you can tell that I've been really enjoying with this. You can add anything. I'm using the glow in the dark crystal kits right here, and I'm playing kind of a SS4 crystal. Hey, thank you, Lily. Lily, get me some cold and hot water. I mean cold and warm water, so we can see the cool it changing. All right. Hello everyone, I'm so excited. I can't wait until you have this velvety gels in your hands. All right, so I'm gonna do is a couple of my beautiful frame right on the side for you. Okay. And then let's see. I really liked this. Just a little bit. This I'm using from the cute frame. Just add some to make it look like more colorful. This is simple, right? I just using all like a 40 to share with you how we can definitely having so much fun with that. You can tell that I obsess it with frame and the bar. Good. I'm good. Hold on. Just one last one. I keep saying it, but this time I promise it's gonna be the last one. All right.